In a peaceful village surrounded by fields, a cheerful monkey lived on a mighty banyan tree. Every day he swung from its branches, playing under the sun. One morning, the monkey spotted the gentle cow crying under his tree. Curious, he climbed down and softly asked, "Why are you so sad?" When the cow said she had lost her calf, the monkey set off on a mission. He asked every creature in the forest, hoping someone had seen it. Finally, near the river, the monkey heard a faint cry. There, stuck in the mud, was the missing calf. Without wasting a second, he rushed to help. The monkey returned the calf to its mother. The cow's eyes sparkled with joy. From that day, the monkey and the cow became the best of friends.